It's my pleasure to have the task this morning of commissioning these 4 new X-ray machines, which provide a significant boost to security at Nadi Airport. Honorable Lebu, for your warm welcome. These machines are state-of-the-art and provide us with a new and upgraded line of defense against the importation of contraband and illegal items into Fiji. Every incoming passenger will have their luggage screened in a manner that complies with the latest international standard which Fiji is committed to meet. These international instruments call for a better system for the safety and security of the traveling public. In May this year, the Immigration Department launched a new system called Integrated Border Management System, IBMS, that allows it quicker access to information on individual arriving passengers. Now we are here to commission the updated inbound passage screening system, another measure which indicates the government commitment to protect our borders. Any arriving passengers is on notice that we will find contraband and illegal items. Everyone in Fiji can be assured that from today, we are all more secure. These machines also represent the government continuing efforts to modernize our equipments, processes, and systems. We all know that in too many instances, this has been neglected over the years, but we cannot be truly efficient if we don't embrace the latest technology. This modernization is especially important when it comes to Nadi Airport, the gateway to Fiji for hundreds of thousands of people each year and multiplying. Later this year, we will begin a major refurbishment program at the airport to also upgrade it to the latest international standard. As you all know, some of the present facilities date back to the 1960s and are all inadequate to cater for today's demand. So this upgrade will be good for passengers using the airport and good for those working here. I want to pay tribute to the key stakeholders in this initiative: the Fiji Revenue and Customs Authority, the Biosecurity Authority of Fiji, Airport Fiji Limited, and of course the support from the Ministry of Defense, National Security and Immigration. The signing of this MOU this morning is a testament to their collaboration in the interest of better security at Nadi Airport. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure to commission the 4 X-ray machines. Vinagabalebu, God bless Fiji.